All right, now we are going to walk through how to create an email. So you can click on the Engage tab up here, and then you'll be redirected to the email campaigns up here. So you can click on this Create Campaign. You can choose between broadcast and triggered campaign. So broadcast is like a full send to your whole database. A triggered campaign is a campaign that triggers during an event. So your signups, someone signs up on your website, they'll trigger a welcome campaign. Birthday, if someone has a birthday, 14 days before their birthday, they can get triggered a campaign. Same thing for wedding anniversary. And there's a last visit date. So you can email someone like 7 days after they last visited you. I'll just review a broadcast campaign today. So I'll give this campaign a name. I'm just going to give it a test. And then you can choose a category. You can do welcome, birthday, holiday, anniversary, featured menu items, event, or transactional. I would suggest picking a category because you can break down your campaign reporting by email category and look at your email stats per category if you wanted to. So I'm just going to pick a random. I'm just going to do event, and then I'm going to hit create. And then you'll be redirected to the audience tab. So this is where you'll choose who exactly you want to email. So you'll choose your engagement list here. So you can choose general messaging. You'll see your catering list, and then any other lists that you've created, you'll be able to see here. Audience, so you'll see all of the segments that you created in the segments piece. If you just want to target everyone, you'll choose all members with email. Let me see right here. So will target your whole database. And then down here is where you can target specific stores. So you can choose one or the other. You can select all stores, and that'll send to all of your stores, all of your members. And then once you're done that, you can click next. You can give your email a subject line. So you can say, welcome to the e-club. And then you can put in preview text. Preview text is optional, but you can put in like, here's $5 just to get them to come into the door. And then you'll see your subject line and preview text in this little iPhone. And then you can hit next. So this is where you will do your content and design. So you can create email from scratch using our drag and drop editor. You can upload an HTML, or you can browse our template library. So these are just the templates that are already created for you. So you can do like a basic working template. This has a little bit more information in it. You can do this one, or you can do like a basic offer with one image if you're looking for something a little less wordy. You can choose this one. And then important to know at the top here, this visibility, when it's on, you'll be able to see the desktop, and in the background here, that's the mobile version. You can turn this off so you don't have to see the mobile version there. So now you'll see all of the desktop version. You can toggle over to mobile as well. And this is what it looks like on a mobile version. So you can come in here and edit this text here. You just have to start typing. You can edit this image as well. So you can change this image out. You can add your logo, make it totally brand it for yourself. You can add links to these words here. So if you just highlight the menu link, you can click link your menu here, and that'll be clickable when someone receives this email. It'll go right to your email. And then you can edit this text as needed. You can delete, add anything that you want. You can add any of the drag and drop blocks into this as well. You can also enter an offer code. So if you wanted to include an offer in like a welcome campaign or a birthday campaign, you can add your offer in here. So just drag that offer in, you'll hit edit. You'll choose which offer code you want to use. So a list of all of your offers that you have published will show up here. The one that I created was the $5 off, so I'm just going to choose that one. And then you can choose which barcode type you want. So you can do QR code or that barcode. I'm just going to click on QR code and hit save, and then that's your offer. This code is unique, so anyone who receives this email, their code will be different. Once you completed all of this, you can send yourself a test and check, make sure everything looks good. You can also save this as a template. So if you override this template with your branded images and text and everything, you can save this as a template and use that for all upcoming emails. And then you can just hit save. All right, so once you have created your email and you're happy with it, you can go into next, and this is where you can schedule your campaign. So this is just a review of everything that we went over today. Your details, your audience, your message content. Again, you can toggle between desktop and mobile view. You can also URL check. So it'll give you the green light if your URLs are good. Any URLs that have like a spelling error in them, there'll be a red checkbox or a red X. And then from here, you can go ahead and schedule your campaign. You can choose to send it immediately, or you can choose a date and time. So I'm just going to choose tomorrow at 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. And then hit OK. And then once it loads, once it schedules, you'll just hit schedule. And then you'll see a campaign scheduled successfully. You'll see up here if you wanted to schedule it, you can just hit on schedule. And then when you go back into your Engage tab, you'll be able to see that this email is scheduled to send out tomorrow at 4 p.m.